everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be bringing you guys some online buys that I bought. So all of these items do come from Wish, and I was really excited because in keeping with the budget shopping theme, got some really good stuff, so stay tuned. Unboxing the first package. Now some of these Wish, okay, it takes a long time for some of these items to come, especially with the lowest shipping option, and especially for the items that are free and you just pay for shipping. So some of these items I've been waiting for such a long time. I don't even honestly remember everything that I got from there that I purchased, but of course once I open everything, I'll go ahead and put how much I paid for it and get some links below for you guys as well. So this will be the first one that I open. All right, okay. It's like some bubble wrap. Oh, yes. So I want to say that I bought these before the whole Gucci scandal. They're not real, okay? These are like some fake Gucci glasses that I saw on there, and I was like, okay, well, you know, let me see. So yeah, this is what they look like. It actually came in some really protective like casing, so that's great. And to show you guys the details, it is actually on the 2 G's on the side as well as the bumblebee, and then inside it actually says, I don't think I'll be able to focus, but it actually says Gucci made in Italy, which is hilarious because yeah, I remember paying like maybe $8 for these, maybe. Then it also has the Gucci sketched in at the top corner right there. So they're actually like pretty good quality. Like they don't really seem like super cheaply made, like they'd be easy to break, so that's pretty cool. And for these they had all black, and then I also remember they had the black, red, and green ones as well. So I just got the all black, but overall actually pretty satisfied with these. All right, so the next is oh yeah, I saw this like cute little gold bracelet. So I was like, oh, that's cute, you know, let me get it. And I think it was like, you know, super cheap. So I was like, oh, just something I can kind of throw on some costume jewelry. So this is what it looks like. Oh, actually, one of the little fake diamonds already fell out. But this is what it looks like, kind of the detailing. It has a little flower and the diamond. It's pretty cute. Like, this is something that I would just, you know, throw on like heading out to work or something. The fact that it is so small, and every time I'm gonna have to like open it pretty wide to get my wrist in, I'm thinking that it probably won't last too long, but that's okay because from what I remember, this one was free, just pay like $2 shipping, so it is what it is. All right, so moving on to the next one. Oh, okay, so this is like some purple eyeliner that I got. I did pick up some makeup while I was on Wish as well, so we'll see. And you know, just with makeup and any kind of like beauty products, I always test them out first before just full-blown applying them to my face, my eyelids, all that, because I do have sensitive skin. But it is just like this really beautiful purple eyeliner, and it says that it's long lasting, so we'll see. All right, so the next one is, I don't know what this is. So I basically thought that this was gonna be like Wish's version, or like a bootleg version of the Airpods that came with the cute little pink case, but it actually just sent me the case. It's like a keychain silicone case. It's cute, but I don't have no AirPods. So I'm gonna have to go and order, you know, some online to use it, but wow. And I feel like this was not even like one of those like, you know, it's free and you paid shipping. I feel like I paid like $4 plus shipping, which probably made it $8 for this. So this was a complete bust. So that is one thing about Wish, you know, you do have to be careful in kind of seeing what it is that you're actually buying, because pictures are deceiving. But that's okay, plenty of other packages. So let's see what else I got. So this one, oh, this is a ring that I got. I remember I saw it and it was so cute. It was hearts, of course, and it was two-toned. So I was like, oh, I was looking at one at Macy's not too long ago, like a two-toned heart one, and then I saw this one on Wish, and I was like, oh, okay, you know, kind of like compare the two and, you know, just get it. I think this one was also free, just pay for shipping. I'm not sure. Hopefully you guys can see that. And yeah, hopefully it fits. Oh, you guys know I love hearts and flowers, but yeah, this one is actually pretty cute. Like, nothing too like spectacular. Like, and this ring I got it in a size 9. You know, just trying to always size up and everything, just because sometimes the products from Wish, they do come like smaller, so always suggest to size up. Yes, so this one is the Derma Blend roller. I've been seeing like some different YouTubers, you know, using the different derma rollers and saying how, you know, it's really been helping with them, but I think there are different sizes. So for this one is the 1 millimeter. So this one might have been a little bit too big to start off with, especially because I've never used it before. So I'm definitely going to make sure I do my research before just, you know, start rolling it on my skin all over the place. But this one, you know, it looks pretty sturdy. Also came with like a protective little case for the rollers. Let me give it a shot, but yeah, I do need to actually make sure I use it properly. Alright, so the next thing that I ordered were actually these really cute makeup brushes. And I love pink, so I got these in pink and gold. As you guys can see, this is what they look like. They're all individually wrapped, but essentially they are all eyeshadow brushes. So I did need some. I think my last set of eyeshadow brushes, I got them on Amazon for relatively, you know, cheap, and they actually lasted for a really long time. I would say like 4 years. So yeah, hopefully these will be the same, you know, be pretty good quality. So I will be checking them out and I'll let you guys know. Baby feet, yes. Okay, I thought I ordered so much stuff. Like, honestly, I forgot what I had ordered. But I remember that I saw some of this baby feet, which are the feet masks that like went viral, just like taking all the dead skin off your feet. And I was like, oh my gosh, I really want to try the mask. And this is basically like their version of baby feet. And it's just called Feet Mask by Roland Jonah. So this is what it looks like. And then, of course, all of the instructions on the back are in a totally, you know, different language, but that's okay. You know, I can definitely, they do have some pictures kind of here to show you kind of step-by-step instructions. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this mask for my feet. And this one, it says that it is a milk and bamboo vinegar peeling mask. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this out. Yeah, so far I'm the most excited about this one. It's like every package has this little glue, and this is like the glue of life. Like, this is obviously what's keeping the world together because it's so strong. I don't understand. Brought in the big guns to help me with this packaging, because I mean, it's just crazy. Just gotta do what it do. Oh yay! Okay, so this is some like setting powder. So I'm really excited about this one. And for this one, I do remember I got it in their darkest color, which was like dark cocoa. They had other colors as well, so just kind of going by, you know, what they say. But looking at this color right here, it does not look like dark cocoa. It actually looks very light. But you know, sometimes when you're dealing with these kind of products, their darkest one is not all that dark. I mean, I think this will definitely go with my skin tone. It's just not as dark as I thought it would be. It was a pretty good deal for this one. It was the free, but you just pay shipping, which was like $2. Actually, really excited to use this one. So my next product is, it's like a loose gold, like bronze almost powder. Oh, ooh. Oh, no, that's a fool. So this is basically just some glitter that they put in a bottle and then put like a little eye roller on there so you can roll it over your eyelids. This is definitely not what was advertised, okay? So on the picture, of course, the girl it was like one little swipe, and you know, her eyes was just, you know, with the gold, but it looked more so like a liquid eyeshadow with the eye roller so that you could just roll it on there. And also the color is just like a dark brown almost. Yeah, no, this is definitely not what I was expecting. But I mean, you know, I'll try it. I'll see how it goes. Already got a little tester because as soon as I opened it, all this glitter just went everywhere. So we'll see. We'll see. I'll let you know. Oh, this one actually wasn't too bad to open. It is, oh, a little brush. So this was like a Tangle, this reminded me of the Tangle teaser brush. So I was like, oh, okay, let me get it. Let me just, you know, try it out, see what it's like. Yeah, actually the bristles, they aren't as like flimsy as I thought that they would be. So it does actually look pretty sturdy, but it's just so tiny. But yeah, I do just want to try this one out because it looked just like the Tangle teaser. So I wanted to see if it would work in the same way. Alright, so this one is something skin tag. Oh yeah, so I saw this one and it was basically like free, and I think the shipping was only like $1. And it's just basically like a skin tag remover ointment. And oh, it was sealed actually. So when I unscrewed it, it broke the seal. So that's a good sign. Small, soft, benign skin growth, often on a stalk. Why I got this one in particular, I actually remember, is because it said it just used like natural ingredients. Like I think they had apple cider vinegar and maybe some tea tree oil, and I've actually used apple cider vinegar before to remove a skin tag. So I was like, oh, it's like in a little convenient kind of bottle. So got this one. It's just like Fort Knox in this thing. Hard to open these. So this one is oh yeah, so this one is another gold bracelet that I got. This one is like a little fake Louis Vuitton one. So but it does say like LV with the flower and with the diamonds. Honestly, this one is like super flimsy and also super tiny. Like it does fit my wrist, but like barely. So yeah, this is kind of what it looks on. As you can see, it did not move at all. It's like right there. But yeah, this is what they both look like on together. And actually that's pretty cute. I just wish that it was a little bit bigger, but it's actually pretty cute. So not bad. All right. So this next package, I'm feeling it. So it does feel like clothing. I like the color black and gold, and it looks really good. So, you know, we'll see how it looks on me. For this one, I did get it in the size extra large. But then thinking about it, I was like, honestly, I probably could have got like an extra large, because, you know, sometimes when things come from, they're shipped from overseas, they run small naturally. So, but this is actually, I said it was a 2-piece. It's actually a 1-piece kind of bodysuit. So this is what it looks like. and it is stretchy. Alright you guys, so that was all the stuff that I got from Wish. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video, leave a comment below. I'll answer any questions that you guys have. And lastly, make sure that you guys subscribe, okay? You don't want to miss out on all the new and exciting stuff that I have in store for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.